Hi YouTube, I just wanted to share something with you really quickly. So I went out to buy some Ovaltine. Price has gone up to £5.50 from £3.99 last year. So I wasn't going to waste my money. So I came home and I already had this from Amazon. It's really good dark Belgian hot chocolate, but it's too dark sometimes. So then I bought this for £2.99 Horlicks, and then I bought this for £2 something. It's not very nice, and instead of wasting this one because it's not nice, I mixed all these three together. Yeah, and then I made my own blend. So it's here. It's in my glass old coffee jar, and I just had some. It was really nice. This one. Just finished it. It was really, really nice. And I think you should try this. Just save money. Mix the blends that you have bought. Really dark, then Horlicks, then something you don't like but you can't throw away because obviously you paid for it, and then your own blend. And all you need is a, hold on one second, one second. A plastic jug. This is where I mix them. See the three powders at the bottom, and then pour it into your thing. Using this, one second, just a bit of paper really, scrolled up like a funnel, and dump it in there. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this, and try it yourself. It's this one is very nice. This one was too dark, this one was a bit bland, and this one was just very over processed. Okay, but this one is perfect. Yeah, anyway, take care. God bless everyone. See you. Bye bye.